on, ladies and gentlemen, it is yours and only Professor Shaddy, and we are tuning up in the Hapo KWENU news in our studios. And some of the stories that we are going to articulate unto you and bequeath unto you is the farming techniques. We are going to see how poultry farming being beneficiary to our country worldwide. You know, 96% of the food that we are being offered countrywide is coming from the farming techniques and the farming generations and the farming corner. Now let us take on the other side of the show on the farming corner. Take a look.